Our new 2023 Palisade offers a wide variety of available technology, connectivity, and Hyundai SmartSense safety features. When the vehicle is parked and the engine has been turned off, an available ultrasonic rear occupant alert monitors the rear seats to detect the movements of children and pets. If movement is detected after the driver exits and locks the vehicle, the horn will sound and the lights will flash. The driver can also be notified with a Bluelink smartphone alert. When a Palisade is parked, Safe Exit Assist can help avoid collisions by providing a warning if an approaching vehicle or bicycle from the rear is detected the moment a door is opened. Or, if necessary, after parking the car and disengaging the child's safety lock, if an approaching vehicle or bicycle is detected, Safe Exit Assist will take over and prevent the door from being opened until it is safe to do so. For 2023, we're introducing Digital Key 2Touch, the latest version of Hyundai Digital Key. This gives owners the freedom to leave their car key at home and simply use any compatible iPhone, Apple Watch, or Samsung Galaxy smartphone to lock, unlock, and start their vehicle. Sharing access to your vehicle is even easier too, as Apple Wallet or Samsung Pass also allows secure sharing of keys with family and friends. Upgraded Bluelink connected car services offer customers a range of new control functions with their smartphone. Remote Profile Management stores selected personal driver preferences in the Bluelink cloud for easy access. Remote Start Enhancements offer air conditioning and heating features, as well as preloads of personalized driver settings for seating position. Vehicle status notifications will inform owners of any unlocked doors or open windows after the vehicle has been exited. The 2023 Hyundai Palisade now offers Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Customers with cellular connectivity will be able to provide a hotspot that allows others to browse the internet, stream videos or music, and more, making those long car trips feel just like home. A full-display digital rear-view mirror is now available with the new 2023 Hyundai Palisade, using a rear-view camera to allow the driver to see behind the vehicle without being obstructed by passengers or cargo. Additionally, Reverse Parking Collision Avoidance Assist can help avoid collisions by warning the driver if objects are detected in the rear while reversing. It can even assist with emergency braking if a collision is imminent. Remote Smart Parking Assist allows you to move the vehicle forward and backward while remaining outside your Hyundai, using the key fob buttons to control it. This innovative feature can help drivers park their Hyundai in tight locations without having to risk damaging their vehicle. The new Hyundai Palisade. It's your journey.